If you were injured in a car accident in Ontario, there are two possible claims for compensation you could make. The first type of claim is an accident benefits claim, also known as a no-fault benefits claim, because no matter who is at fault for the accident, any person involved in it is entitled to claim benefits if they have suffered injuries. If you are a passenger, pedestrian, or cyclist and don't have any insurance of your own, then you can make a claim from the insurance company of the vehicle you were in or of the vehicle that struck you. Accident benefits are supposed to provide immediate treatment and compensation after the accident. You apply for these benefits by sending a completed application package to your insurance company. Depending on your employment situation and level of injury, you can apply for income replacement benefits, non-earner benefits, medical rehabilitation benefits, attendant care, and compensation for other expenses like housekeeping or home maintenance. Your eligibility for some benefits and the maximum benefit payable depends on the severity of your injuries. The second type of claim is a lawsuit for damages, also known as a negligence claim or a tort claim. The negligence lawsuit is a fault-based claim, which means that you can only be compensated for your losses to the extent that you are not at fault for the collision. If you were partly at fault, can only be compensated for the part of the losses for which the other driver is liable. In the negligence lawsuit, you can claim compensation for your general damages, pain and suffering, loss of enjoyment of life, and for your economic losses, loss of income, medical and rehabilitation expenses, loss of housekeeping and maintenance abilities, etc. But to get compensation for your pain and suffering in Ontario, you must first surpass two obstacles. 1. Prove that you have sustained a serious and permanent impairment of an important bodily function, which is physical or psychological in nature, or permanent disfigurement. Secondly, your losses for pain and suffering must be assessed by the court to be more than a deductible, currently sits at almost $40,000. The lawsuit damages are typically paid by the insurance company of the person who was at fault for the accident. Remember, if you have been involved in an accident, get legal representation to obtain the compensation you deserve.